Hello, and welcome beautiful people to another empowering episode of our channel, Health and Happiness for Life. Today, we have an incredible topic to discuss that has the potential to transform your life. We will be diving into 10 actionable tips on how you can boost your confidence and cultivate a positive self-image. So, let's get started. But before we dive into the tips, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future content to uplift and inspire you. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the first tip. Embrace your uniqueness. The first key to boosting your confidence is embracing your uniqueness. Remember, there is no one in this world like you. Embrace your quirks, talents, and passions. They make you who you are. Don't compare yourself to others. Instead, celebrate the traits that set you apart. Tip number 2 is all about self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness, understanding, and forgiveness. We all make mistakes, and that's perfectly okay. Instead of beating yourself up, learn from those experiences and move forward with a positive mindset. Moving on to tip number 3, set achievable goals. Setting small, realistic goals can help you build confidence progressively. Celebrate each milestone and let it fuel your self-belief. Tip number 4 is to surround yourself with positive people. The company you keep greatly influences your self-image. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift, inspire, and believe in you. Their positivity will undoubtedly rub off on you. Tip number 5 is all about focusing on your strengths. Identify your unique talents and skills, and nurture them. Acknowledge your achievements and let them build your confidence. Remember, you are capable of great things. Moving on to the 6th tip, practice self-care. Taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally is crucial for building confidence. Engage in activities that bring you joy, recharge your energy, and calm your mind. Self-care is not selfish, it's necessary. Tip number 7 is about challenging negative thoughts. We all have that voice in our heads that sometimes brings us down. But remember, you have the power to reframe negative thoughts into positive ones. Practice positive affirmations and focus on your accomplishments to counteract self-doubt. Tip number 8 is to step out of your comfort zone. Growth and confidence are often found outside of our comfort zones. Challenge yourself to try new things, face your fears, and trust in your abilities. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve when you push through that initial discomfort. Moving on to tip number 9, celebrate progress, not perfection. Remember, nobody is perfect, and aiming for perfection is unrealistic. Instead, focus on the progress you make each day, no matter how small. Celebrate your achievements and use them to boost your confidence. Lastly, tip number 10 is to practice positive body language. How you carry yourself says a lot about your self-image. Stand tall, make eye contact, and smile often. These small changes can make a world of difference in how you perceive yourself and how others perceive you. And there you have it, my friends. 10 powerful tips to boost your confidence and develop a positive self-image. Remember, confidence is not something you are born with. It's something you cultivate. So, start implementing these strategies today and witness the amazing transformation within yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, stay confident and keep shining.